do the Can Jam tournament because it's a great opportunity for staff across all buildings to get together, have some fun, and give back to a great cause. So the Giving Tree supports gift items for families in need within our own community. So that's the true meaning behind the Can Jam tournaments, to give back to some families in need during the holidays. This was our 5th year, and each year it has been such a success. We raise so much money to support our families, and it ranges. It could be anywhere from like $120 to $520. Each year is a little bit different, but no matter how much money we raise, as long as we're having fun and giving back, I'm considering it a success. I think the best part is seeing all of the staff interact and have fun. Sometimes, especially in the high school, we can just be so accustomed staying in our classrooms and focusing on our students that we forget to like have fun and interact with other staff. So I think besides doing the great things for our community, just seeing staff kind of have fun and let loose is my favorite part.